Hi folks, welcome again. Yes, we are back with our chilies because we had no chilies in the house, or no chili sauce in the house at least. So we're going to quickly smash one together. It's fermented for a week. I think that's ample for what we want to do with it. So here we go. It's ready. So it's fermented and we've got a nice bit of murkiness going on here, so we can get rid of the airlock. It's done its job for us, so just going to drain off the brine for us and get to doing some blending. Oh, I can smell that solid chili whiff coming through there. Really good. And we still don't know what it is, but we do know it's a green one. So, green it is. Oh yeah, it bites. Yep, it's got a bit of a shot in the back of the throat there. We can taste it. We can taste it. And folks, once again, everything has been sanitized, so it's a matter of just popping it into our blender here. And we will get to, oh, the dogs are after it first, I think. So the dogs want the chili sauce, I think. Right, so I'm just going to add a little bit of the brine to it so that we've got some viscosity as we go down here, because we want a bit of liquid at least to do its job. Now, I did say we're going to add a little bit of a secret sauce, and it's actually liquid smoke. Now, because this is chili and it's got quite a pungent taste and things, I'm going to add a few drops. If it's a lighter taste, I normally just spray it with a little spritz, because it's easy to overdo it, and this stuff is super concentrated. It's like having a bottle of tar. It's really strong. So a little goes a long way, and yep, let's see what we come up with out of this mixture. So here goes. Green chili, or green chili sauce with some liquid smoke. I'm going to have to add a little bit more of the brine in here, because we definitely ending up with quite a thick sauce as it's going at the moment, so just want to get some more liquid. There we go. You can definitely smell it. Let's taste and see if we need to do something else with it. The smokiness comes through, definitely comes through. The heat is here at the back. Just need something to lift it, and I think maybe a bit of our homemade apple cider vinegar would work perfectly, just to smoothen that roughness off, because the bite is quite strong, which is fine. It's just a bit rough. It's not a nice edgy, and the smokiness is, the level is fair. It's fine. I don't want to put too much in there, because then it's just going to overpower the taste of the chili. But it's there, and we don't want to do too much to change the heat factor. I just want to smooth it. So I think a shot of apple cider vinegar will do the trick. So here's our apple cider vinegar that we made a while back, and it's really got a lovely smell. Much better than the shop bought stuff, for sure. So we're popping that in, and let's see if that is what was needed to round it off. Okay, let's see. The proof is in the pudding, they say, so let's taste it. Yep, it's still got a very creamy taste, so which is fine. I think it's going to work. It will probably smooth out as it stands for a while. So the next thing for us to do, bottle it. Right, so as I said, we'll start bottling. It's a bit foamy, it's a bit thick. Yep, we're going to have to make it a bit thinner. Okay, let's just bottle this up quickly, get it going. And there's our green chili sauce. We don't know what it is yet, but it's green. So we'll see you on the next video, and don't forget, make every day count.